Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today I'm gonna teach you how to do this curved edge floor. Okay, very simple. Just go for part here. You got Superboard. Okay, so Superboard you just change the size first. This one we roughly give it 100 to 100. Okay, then you press X or rotate it, or X rotate it like this 90 degree. Okay, make sure it's 90 degree. Then you move it up or press Z button, move it up. Z button, move it up. Okay, then exit everything, select it or make everything 0, let it stick to the wall. Okay, 0 0 0. Okay, after that we click on B board selection or B board selection. Select it, right click, panel point, editing, or using this function to make the curve. Select the curve here, or then click on this one. This is the curve. Save, return. Okay. So let's say opposite. Okay. Never mind. You can press X also. Rotate it first. Okay. Once you complete rotate. Okay, then exit the panel. Okay, now we're going to check here the 2D. Okay, see how far is it? 9690. Okay, so we select the panel, height, change it 9690. Ding. Ta-da. Okay, you got the curved edge floor. Okay, then you apply the material. Thanks for watching. Bye.